Hey guys, Soccer from sakitech, and in today's video what we're going to do is we are going to be sharing some amazing wallpapers for your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, and I'm talking about beautiful wallpapers like the one you're looking at right now. Now some of these wallpapers are premium paid wallpapers, but they're all free right now, so let's get them as soon as possible. So to get these wallpapers, all you want to do is you want to click the link down below. Once you click the link, you're going to be at my website, and then you're going to scroll on just a little bit. You can see beautiful Samsung wallpapers. And you want to scroll down to where it says wallpaper number 1. And then you have number 2, number 3, and so on and so forth. All you want to do is click the link. So under the link, you click the link. That's going to open the Galaxy Store. And it's going to allow you to download these free wallpapers. So I'm going to tap on download. That is the first wallpaper. That's the neon lights wallpaper. Once it downloads, you tap on apply. You can get a quick preview and then you tap on done, and let's take a look at what this one looks like. Beautiful neon lights, as you can see. So that can be your wallpaper. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's move on. And I do want to let you know, guys, Samsung is running some insane deals on their bespoke appliances. So check the link down below. You can save up to $1,900 on their refrigerators, $1,000 on their laundry sets, and much more if you are interested in appliances. That link's going to be down below. That's going to be the second link. But anyway, going back to my website, we are going to go to wallpaper number 2. That's the moving planet. That's the one we saw in the very beginning. So simply grab it and then apply it, and you're going to see it's going to look absolutely gorgeous on that lock screen. So that's that. Let's go back over here. Already saw that one. We're going to go down, and you have the wallpaper number 3. That's the mechanical clock, one of my favorites. So click on it. All right, and that's going to take you to the store. Again, download and then apply. Look at how beautiful this thing is. So let's go to the lock screen. Absolutely gorgeous, as you can see. It's a mechanical clock. Beautifully animated. Okay, that's that. Let's go back. Number 4, we're going to go down. That's the moving sport car. Click the link. Opens the store. Tap on download and then tap on apply. Let's see what this one looks like. Beautiful. Nice and clean. Beautiful animation. You got the lights on the top, the car, the lights. Everything is realistic. Beautiful and clean, high definition. All right, let's go back in here and do wallpaper number 5. Now that is the running horse. You're going to love it if you are into the dark mode. So tap on it. Okay, download and apply. And look at what this one looks like. Pure blackness with the horse running in the background, as you can see. For some reason, this is pretty cool. All right, so that's it. Any questions, comments, or concerns? Drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day.